Okay, today I've got the WWE belt buckle. Today, see, got it from the mail. See that this one you can spin too. See that, right? See, that's one you can spin. So see, the WWE got the with the eagle, you know, and the crown, and see the champ. You see that too, right? Champ. And one thing, and the nameplate too. You put your name on it if you want to. And the back. See the back got the screw. You can unscrew it for the spinner, and the back got the 2006 World Wrestling Entertainment Incorporated. See, 2006. Got the screw with it. Oh yeah, and the WWE logo too. You see that too, right? The logo for the WWE. So kind of big too. It's big. Look at that. See, the WWE logo with the champ on it, nameplate. You put your nameplate on it, your name, and so I hope you like it, enjoy it, and text me, you know, comment me or subscribe to my channel. So you got a ruby too, like a, see, to the champ. All the stuff, see. Alright. One more time, spin it, see. So the next one it will come very soon, I hope, by this week or next week or something. It's the WWE spinner ring too. Same one like this one, but it's kind of ring and have you can spin too, the spinner. So alright, talk to you later. Bye.